Hey guys, so a couple people had asked about me doing this tutorial again, but it's basically a simple way to change your due dates in Canvas and publish and hide assignments. So let me show you how to do this. As soon as I remember how to... there we go. Alright, so what you're seeing on the screen is a Google Doc, and I'm going to put a link with this video wherever this video ends up. On how to access and make a copy of it. But essentially, it's a Google Doc that has scripts built into it that will let you load all of your Canvas assignment data into it. And then you can change things like the title and the due date, when they're available from and to, when you can show answers, when the answers are hidden. As long as it's not a quiz, you can change point values and whether or not it's published, and then it'll tell you the type of thing it is. So let me show you how to do this. First thing you have to do is make a copy of this document, and then you're going to come into the Canvas menu that does take a couple of seconds to pop up when you first load the page. And I can't remember if it asks you by default or if you have to click on it, but you come to the Canvas menu and choose Configure API Settings. And in here we put our website, which is for us, piperschools.instructure.com. And then you need the super secret access token, and you can click on this and it'll tell you, but the easiest way to do it is to go to your Canvas account, click on account up here at the top, go to settings, it'll bring you to this page right here, and what you do is you click new access token, and you don't have to name it, but it helps because as you can see I have a bunch of them. So Canvas due dates sheet is a good one. I use this quite a lot, but mostly at the beginning of semesters when I have to copy things from the previous semester to this one, so I set it to never expire. I'm going to click Generate Token, and it's going to give me this right here. It says copy this token down now because it'll never be visible again. So I'm just going to take this whole thing, copy it, come over to the course due dates, and paste it into my access token. When I click Submit, it's going to tell me that there's a fail. Because I misspelled Piper Schools. Let's fix that again. Configure API, PIPERSC. There we go. SCHOLS.instructure.com. Okay, now if I click Submit, there we go, we got the success message. So, from there, it gets pretty easy. All you have to do is we can close out this, and let's go to a class that maybe we want to change some due dates for. So I'm going to come into, let's go with my industrial technology class because there's a couple that I know I need to change. We're going to take the address from the top up here. I'm going to copy that. Go to my course due dates. Come to Canvas, and we're going to specify a course. And all that is pasting in that URL and clicking OK. It's going to pop up that this is course 3151, Introduction to Industrial Tech, and then I'm going to click Yes. It's running a script, and when it finishes running this script, we now see all of my assignments that have been put into that course, as well as the due dates that are currently assigned to them. I don't have available until and from, and I don't have show answers and hide answers, because even though a lot of these are quizzes, they're available all the time. I just publish them when I'm ready for the students to take them. And over here we can see how many points they're worth. The ones that are actually labeled as quizzes do not have points listed with them, because the points that are available when you set up the quiz determine that. But so like my welcome back and setup was an assignment that I did last year when we were remote. We didn't do it this year, so even though it's still in my list of assignments, I never published it, so it doesn't go into the gradebook, it doesn't show up in the gradebook or anything like that. But moving down here, you can see, for example, my introduction to OSHA is an assignment. It's worth 10 points, it is published, and it was due on August 30th. We have a couple of things that we've changed. So 10/15, which is Friday, is when the final day for my lathe, planer, and router tests are due. I can change these due dates. They are published, and kids have already been able to take them. But let's say I don't want something published that is. So right now I have Shop Ready. That's when all of the when a student has finished all of the safety tests and all of the practicals, and then they're ready to go. So I don't want that to be available. I'm going to put a 0 in there. 100 points is basically what that is. That due date is 12/3, which is way too late. In fact, Shop Ready has to be done by next week. So I'm going to come in and I'm just going to make it next Friday, the 22nd, which, yeah, we have school that day. You can see it didn't put a time in. That is a bit of a pain. So you have to come in afterwards in 23:59 if I just wanted to be due by midnight that day. And then all I have to do is come up to the Canvas menu and save due dates. It's going to run a script. So what should have changed is when I go back into Canvas, it's not going to be published anymore, and its due date is going to have changed. So I'm going to come back to my Canvas class. I'm going to refresh the page. I'm going to click on my assignments, which I guess could have taken the place of refreshing the page. And if I come down to Shop Ready, it says it's due October 22nd, it's worth 100 points, and it's not published. And you can bulk do that for everything. So if I wanted assignments to be due every Friday, I could just choose what assignments I want due Friday and change the date to that. So super simple. Hope this helped you out in some way. And you can do it for any course in Canvas that you have access to grade. Enjoy.